friends, this is Ladoon Bunny and welcome to my channel. I got a new fountain pen and this is the TWSBI Eco Rootbeer Bronze, and it has been making quite a buzz lately because of its amber color, translucent amber body, and it's the latest addition to their bronze trim collection. So it has been a while since I purchased a new fountain pen, and when I saw photos of this fountain pen being available for pre-order, I decided not to sleep on this one because it has a very beautiful and stunning amber translucent body. As you can see, the root beer resin has a rich amber or even caramel translucence which catch the light beautifully. So as you can see, it's really gorgeous. The camera doesn't even capture how stunning the pen is, especially under this light. Over the next few minutes, we'll be exploring ink choices, and I'll finish this video with a writing sample of the ink that I have chosen. So depending on the light and angle on which you view this fountain pen, the color ranges from dark brown to amber. So there could be a wide array of ink color choices that you could choose from if you want to match the ink color with a fountain pen body. Okay, so here's another look with a plain white paper underneath. Now let's move on to the fun part, which is choosing inks. I think this root beer bronze could pair well with warm earthy tones, but it could also shine with unexpected contrasts. So here are the brown inks from my current collection, and it includes some deep ambers, rich browns, and also some cool browns. So you can see the different ink colors and how it match with a root beer body. So we have the coffee break from Colorverse, and here's a writing desk from Ferris Wheel Press, and I think this Ideal Shousing is also good from Lennon Bar. So here are the other brownish inks from my ink collection. I think Diamine Warm Brown is a good match as well. And I think Cherry Sunburst is also nice. And even honey colored inks I think would pair well with this. I also think the warmth of an autumn palette could also fit well with this pen. For now, I'm going to leave you with some relaxing music and the rest of the video. So grab some snacks to your coffee and enjoy watching. that wraps up our look at the TWSBI Eco Rootbeer Bronze, from unboxing to ink selection to writing. And I love it. It's deeply satisfying to use, and I'm glad to add it to my collection. Let me know in the comments if you guessed correctly which ink I would choose, or share what other inks you think would be perfect for this pen. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Again, this is the Loon Bunny. Have a creative and happy day. Bye!